Hey there, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how you can instantly create drip subscribers from new BigCommerce customers automatically. Guys, if you're a e-commerce store owner, you know how important it is to grow your email list. But manually creating your email list can be really time-taking and tedious. That's where the integration between BigCommerce and Drip tool comes in. And with the help of this automation, you can create subscribers in Drip from new BigCommerce customers and automate your email marketing workflow with just few simple steps. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up this automation without any coding. So let's begin. To set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration tool. And this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. And you can find this landing page's link in the description. And from here, you can sign up for free. So sign up right now from the given link and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. After signing up, you can sign in and select Pabbly Connect product and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. After that, click on create button and your workflow page will load up. So here I have given the name BigCommerce to Drip integration, and after this click on create button and your workflow page will load up like this. And on this page you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. These are the basic building blocks of this automation. Trigger is that event which is going to start the workflow, and the action would be an automated consequence or the response of the trigger. In this use case, guys, getting a customer in BigCommerce is going to trigger the workflow, and the action would be to send the customer as a subscriber in Drip tool. Okay, so here guys, in the choose app field in trigger, you have to search for BigCommerce. Okay, then you have to select the trigger event as new customer. Then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, and here it will ask for the client ID, the access token, and the store's hash key. So guys, to get these things, first of all, you need to create a store owner. The store owner must create a store API account first in the account. Then you can find the API key in the advanced settings. Okay, so let me show you the process. This is my BigCommerce store application, and here on the left hand side panel you will find the settings option. Click on settings. Under settings, guys, when you scroll down you will find the advanced option here like this. Under advanced section, if you scroll down a bit more, you will find this API option, and here you will find store level API accounts. Click on store level API accounts. Alright, and here you can click a API account by clicking on this plus icon. Here you can select the version type as v3 API token. Here you can give a name to this connection or a token. So I'm providing the name as new token. And after that you have to select this zero auth scopes. So you have to select this content option and click on modify. Okay, then select customers option, click on modify. Here you can read in the instructions: content, customers, informations, marketing, orders, and products. You have to select all the scopes. Okay, so here come on information settings, click on modify. On marketing, click on modify, then orders, and finally the products. Okay, after selecting the scopes, click on save and your account will be created like this. And here you will find the client ID. So you can just copy this client ID and paste it here in this field. And you will find the access token as well. Copy it and paste it here. Okay. Similarly, now you can click on done, and here you can see a text document has been just downloaded as I created this API account. And when you open this document, you will find the API path here. Under API path, you will find this link. In this link, guys, after this stores slash and this slash v3, this is the store hash key. So just copy the store's hash key and you have to paste this key here like this, and then click on save and you will be connected with BigCommerce like this. Okay, now guys, after making the connection, what you have to do, click on save and send test request button, and it will start showing waiting for the response. This means guys, now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means guys, we are going to perform the trigger event manually. Okay, so here we have new customer as the trigger event, so I'm going to manually create the new customer from the backend of my store, and the data of that new customer will be captured here in the response section. So just to set up this automation, we are going to create a sample customer or a dummy customer. Let me just do this. Here you can see guys, under the BigCommerce application, here we have customer section. Click on customers, and here click on add button. Okay, so here let me just fill in the details of the customer as dummy. Last name is name. Okay, here let me just enter the email address as dummy. Okay, this is not an original customer, we are just filling the details just for setting up this automation. Okay, so all right, so I have filled all the things. Let me fill a password as well. So I'm using the suggested password. Okay, and here I'm clicking on save and exit. All right, so you can see a customer named as dummy name has been successfully added. Let's check in our workflow if we got the data captured of this customer, and here you can see we got the data, and it is showing us the store ID, the scopes, the hash, and the data type. Okay, but it is not showing the details of the customer. It's not showing the name and all the things. So to get the customer details, in this action step, I'm going to connect with BigCommerce one more time. Select BigCommerce again, and select the action event here as get a customer by ID. Select this get customer by ID option, then click on connect button. Now guys, we have already connected with BigCommerce, and the connections that you make in the workflow are saved in your account. So if you want to make the connection again with the same application, you can use your saved connections. For that, you have to select this existing connection option selected. Then it will show you your saved connections here like this. From here, you can choose any connection and then click on save again, and you will be connected again. So here it is asking for the customer ID. So in the previous step, you can see we have received this data ID here. So I'm going to map this data ID label here in this field. So just click here, and the previous trigger step will appear in the drop down. And when you click on it, you will find the data ID label. Just map it like this, and then click on save and send test request button, and the customer details will be fetched like this. Now it started showing first name, last name, email address, phone number, everything. Okay, so we have received the data of the customer. Now it is time to save this customer as a subscriber in Drip. For that, just click here on this plus icon, and another action step will open up. Here you have to select Drip, select Drip application, and select the action event as create or update subscriber. Okay, then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, and here it will ask for the API token of Drip and the password. So you can leave the password field blank according to the instructions, but you need to create this API token and fill it here. So you'll get this token from the API token section. You can read the instructions. Let me show you that. So this is my Drip application, and here on the bottom left hand side you can see the settings option. Click on it. From here, click on user settings, and under user settings, when you scroll down, you will find the API token right here. Just copy this and paste it here in this field, and then click on save, and you'll be connected with Drip. Okay, and here it just started showing the account ID, so you can select the account ID. Okay, then it will ask for these fields, the first name, last name, email address, and all this data. So guys, I'm going to fill all these details from the previous step that I have received here. Okay, so to map the data, just click here, and from the second step, map the first name. Similarly, map the last name, then map the email address. Okay, so if you have all these details, you can map all these things right now. I have limited data, so I am mapping the limited things which are required, and I'm leaving all these things blank. Okay, and then you have to select the subscriber status as active or unsubscribed. I'm selecting active. And guys, finally you can check your connection with Drip by clicking on save and send test request button, and a new person will be added here inside the Drips people section. Let me show you the active subscribers here. So these are my active subscribers. Right now we have 6 people here. Let us check our connection. I am clicking on save and send test request button. This is the response we have received. Okay, now let me show you. I am refreshing the section here, and here you can see right now the people's number increased to 7, and here we have a new subscriber added with this email address dummy, and the same details are captured here. Dummy name is the name. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, guys, it will work automatically whenever you are going to receive a real customer in BigCommerce. Whenever someone is going to purchase anything from your store, or just sign up or register as a customer in your BigCommerce store, that same person will be added in your Drip application as subscriber automatically. And I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, if you want to connect with our support team, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask and discuss your queries on our forum via this link, and you can check the pricing plans of Pabbly Connect via pabbly.com/connect #pricing. And guys, if you like our videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.